Oh, damn it, dude! God! God! Stop, relax. Stop. Relax.
Let's see if there's any classes for DO.
Somebody's in the car accident?
What?
Right there.
Oh, just now?
Yeah.
Oh,
I heard it. What happened?
Somebody just sideswiped away.
Then ran away?
This is the second time I come back from retirement.
This is not a great look. I mean, listen, you're right. If you're a Canadian citizen, you have the right to donate to political parties. That's not a crime. I've always raised awareness of, and what a lot of people in my circles have sort of been concerned about different extremist movements is Canada seems to be very, very susceptible to foreign interference through
No, I don't have a red one. I have a blue one. Yep. This one of mine.
Oh! Okay, I have that on Dashcam, so I'm gonna.
That's awesome, babe. Well, sorry, it's horrible.
I have it on Dashcam.
Are we gonna back?
You can salvage my soul, but you sacrifice this life to not die alone. Seat in the palace.
Speaking of therapists, I got to see my therapist and best friend perform at Wembley Stadium last night for her 8th sold-out show. Yes, I attended the Eras Tour yesterday via live stream. Okay. Taylor Swift had, like I said, 8 sold-out shows. She did 3 like a month ago and then came back for 5 more, which I believe makes her the, at least, solo artist, the first solo artist to have to do.
Oh, I said a guy run from me. Hey, this cop's about to blow him by. That guy's running, man. Yes. Hey, this is going to make a hell of a video.
dirty dog.
I can go screaming in my classroom again. Whoa! Oh!
Be in either of the two right lanes.